Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics, and in this video we are going to learn how to log into your Bremer Bank account. First of all, open up any browser. I am using Google Chrome here, and then at the search bar type in bremer.com and then click on enter. After that, you will be redirected to official homepage of Bremer Bank. Now at the top right corner you will find login button. Click on it. Then select which type of account you want to get logged in, either it's personal, business or wealth management account. Now select which online system you want to get logged into. Then click on login option. If you have not activated the online banking in your account, click on this link and follow the instructions. After clicking on login button, you will see this page where you can enter your user ID. After typing your user ID, click on this button. Now click on this button where it says continue with security code. Then the bank will call or send you a text message and ask you to enter a one-time code to get logged into Bremer Bank account. If you want to log into your different Bremer Bank account, then click on this link and then you can log in with your another Bremer Bank account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.